Let's create a new case for criminal defense. Here on the Main Cases tab, this is what you'll see when you first log in. You'll see a Create New Case button. There's some intermingling here between immigration, personal injury, criminal defense. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see criminal defense type right here. I'll just drop in this generic name and date and hit Create Case. In a couple seconds, I'll have my whole case set up. I can share you around. So this is the main interface that you'll see when you first build a case for criminal defense or personal injury or insurance. And what I'll see here is it looks very familiar to if you use Dropbox or other drive sharing platforms before. Basically, I have a whole layout of different folders that pertain to this exact case type. And then I'll be able to drag in and upload files. I'll sort those files into different folders, and then I'll start being able to generate documents. So let's go ahead and upload. I'm going to hit upload here. And in my other window, I have all my files. I'm just going to select them, grab them, and I'm dropping in a bunch here. So there's 40 files that I actually just dropped in, all kinds of different things that we've gathered to build this case. I'll hit upload files at the bottom, and it'll start uploading. Look at that, it's really fast. Wow, it's all done. We're ready to rock. Now you can see here I have the folders up here still, and then the files down below that have just been added. I can go ahead and start dragging these individual files into different folders manually. But if I have a lot of files like I do here, the easier way is just to grab a bunch of them. We'll do this batch first. I hold Shift and I select the first and the last, just like a list. Then I come up to the top and hit Auto Sort. Now these files are going to be analyzed, and the platform is going to be looking through each one of them and trying to understand and parse exactly where they should end up and which folders they should be added to. Look at that. It was really quick. You can see here, incident report is going into police reports, law enforcement materials, community risk going into probation, etc. And so, yeah, it's all sorted for me, so I can save a lot of time instead of having to use myself or a paralegal to try to analyze and parse and sort all these documents. And I can even deselect some of these if I, want to try to figure out where I should put them at a later date. I'm going to go ahead and hit this. And now auto sorting is completing and moving them into their final destinations. Boom, we're done. I still have files left to sort that I skipped over before, but you can see here when I go into these folders, the solid purple folders now contain files inside of them. And once I get all of my files added to their folders, I'll be able to add my case details and then start generating all kinds of different documents.